Hey, what's up? Today we'll be going over part one of the 100x investment strategy, which includes key concepts, examples, and what key items to look for in the next potential 100x stock. Recently, I read the book 100 Baggers by Christopher Mayer, uh, which is a book I recommend to every investor because it's a different perspective for investors. So that in addition to quick profits, day trading, value investing, which is long-term trading, they also consider companies that could potentially generate 100x returns. I'll summarize some of the key concepts in the book because I know everybody has limited time and not everybody's going to be able to read the whole book. In some ways, we can be our own worst enemy when it comes to investing because we check our portfolios every day, even if we aren't day trading, and as a result, in many instances, we sell stocks way too early. So a key concept that's mentioned in the book is a coffee can portfolio. You should always have a certain subset of your portfolio where you purchase the stocks but never touch the stocks again. Many people will say that this method does not work, but an example that they share in 100 Baggers is a couple, a wife and a husband. The wife had her portfolio actively managed by a broker, whereas the husband would only purchase stocks every time the broker recommended them. However, he would never sell the stocks. At the end of the husband's lifetime, the wife saw his portfolio, and his portfolio was 3x times hers, even though her portfolio was actively managed by a broker. So sometimes just holding on to those stocks is much more valuable than trying to get the quick profit or trying to time the market, etc. Just holding on to those stocks because those 100x winners will more than make up for any potential losers that you might have had by taking this strategy. Another key concept is don't let boredom drive your decision making. It's not about jumping always to the stock that's moving the fastest or making the quickest profit. You might miss the incredible returns on your own stock picks if you keep moving to the stock that has the greatest movement every specific day. So don't let boredom drive your decision making process. You always want to bet big on your top picks. If you invest $100 in a 100x stock, that's only $10,000 that you make. However, if you invest $10,000 in your 100x stock or your top pick, that's potentially $1 million. Think of all those individuals who invested $5,000 to $10,000 in Tesla. They're sitting on $1 million to $2 million now, $1 million to $5 million now. So definitely bet big on your top picks. The last thing is don't chase returns. It's not about how much return you make in one specific year, but how your portfolio progresses over a long period of time. So making sure that you're getting a great return overall on your portfolio and you're always sticking to those great companies which have the criteria or the key items that we'll discuss in the next video. So these are some of the key concepts that I want you guys to internalize when it comes to 100 Baggers. These are the concepts that were discussed in the book, and if we can all implement them, we could potentially have a subset of our portfolio targeting these 100x stocks and making those returns. As always, make money, enjoy life, peace.